my desert garden in Palm Desert, California, to solve the mystery of the dying petunias. Now, if you've had petunias that have died in a container and you're wondering why, well, most likely it could be because of water. Now, this is a drip irrigation pipe. It's just called spaghetti tubing, and this stake goes right into the container, and out of these holes, the plant is watered every day to keep the soil moist. That's why those other two containers are doing great. Now, you'd think maybe it was clogged. For some reason, this may not have been getting water. Not true. As I struggled to figure out why these petunias were dying, and I dug into the soil, it was very wet. But they were getting the same amount of water as the other containers. So, I suspect a different problem that I'm about to delve into. The different problem is way, way down to the roots of the problem. And you can see how deep these roots go. Petunias have very deep roots if you have them a lot. So something happened that was stopping the drainage of this container. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the dead petunias and dig down and see what the heck is going on that's stopping the drainage in this container garden. Right back. Whoa, okay, I have solved the mystery. Here what we have is a mass of roots that have blocked the drainage holes because this is a water-saving container, which means there's a reservoir in here, and on the roots have a wick like this, and this wick goes into the drainage holes, which then absorbs water from below. However, the wick is working fine, except that the other drainage holes available for the water to drain have been totally blocked by a mass of roots. Now, how did the petunias make this many roots in just one season? Well, they didn't. It was my fault. Because what happened is last year I had in here a type of a bougainvillea with a very, very massive root system. And when I replanted, I removed the bougainvillea and I replanted with petunias. I didn't clear out all the roots from the very bottom of the container. So this is a lesson to you. Your petunias are slowly going to die if they don't have good drainage. And so please, remember, check those drainage holes before you replant. Now I've got to get all these roots out of this container and get rid of this old soil before I can replant and try again. It's been Mary Ann Bonetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.